Say something, Meredith. Say something. Hang on. No, don't touch the phone. See, say your address.
No.
What's your name? Claire what? Say your name. What's your name?
I'm fighting. I'm fighting. I'm glad you got married. I'm glad you got married.
Somebody got married? While you were asleep?
Ovechkin, her favorite hockey player, is now engaged to get married.
Okay. She's crying because her favorite hockey player is getting married. It's nothing to do with the surgery. It's over a guy.
Meredith, is Ovechkin getting married? One's laughing. Oh yeah. She's crying because her favorite hockey player is getting married. You don't want him to get married? How come? You want to marry him? But he's Russian.
But there's no season this year. You don't even get a scene, do you? Because there's no hockey games. Have you gotten to see him play? Have you? He's played for him.
Y'all are going to be so mad at me when you see this.
I'm going to set you up all the way. You're doing great. You're doing great.
Meredith, you're crying again. Okay. Are you guys ready to go?
Yeah, well, I think they are.